Okay, DAZA update. First start again. So, what do we have? Engine oil, they put the guys, oil filter new, coolant inside. Omar, you have to double check also transmission oil level, eh? Yeah. Alright. Then I brought also this one to read one, the AGT. Okay. It's 32 point something. They put the battery charger, the guys. Okay, we are looking good, Mr. Omar. There is no rag on the turbo inlet. Alright. You're gonna be, prepare yourself, you're gonna be like you throw stones inside, obviously. Cam adjusters are empty, lifters are empty, everything is empty. There is only the gel and the high viscosity lubricant. It takes a couple of seconds to raise up, to build up the boost, the oil pressure. The boost. Start, Mr. Omar.
Where is the key?
We don't have the key. Amazing. I'm gonna pause it. When we're gonna find the key, I'm gonna start again. Okay. Crank direct, not ignition on first. Direct to take time cranking. Stop. Alright, wait to relax a little bit. We don't have to burn the starter. It's fine, it's not hot at all. Excellent. Omar, you haven't connected the full exhaust, eh? John, please. You haven't connected the full exhaust, right?
You connect.
Full exhaust?
Yes.
And it has so much sound. Oh, okay. Alright, crank again. Off. Start it. You turn it off. Start it and leave it running, Omar. Tell them to start the grinding. Not the car. God damn it. Shit in this. Start the car and leave it running, Omar. Hold the phone here. Hold it here. Yeah. Sensors are alive. Turn it off. Okay, gentlemen. Engine oil, double check. Okay. Coolant need to be bleeded. Okay, with the heater core on, Omar. Transmission oil. Do whatever you want.
No.
Finalize the car. All right.
I do know the heater core.
You still have ethanol inside.
Yes.
It smells like.
Sorry?
It smells like an ethanol, that's why.
Yeah.
Nice. Bring some orange juice to fix a vodka with orange, you know, to have a party here. All right. First start of the DAZA. That's it. Thank you very much. After that, it's up to the owner, the customer, what he will gonna do his magic here to make some power. Thank you. Now, Mr. Omar here, he reminds me the brakes. The rear brakes, I'm gonna take care of it.
The front one will do?
The front one, you can do it. It's just to make... Why you want to change the front one? What? You can change the front brakes. Man,
Brother.
you can change the front brakes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
The
Front
rotors
also?
and
Everything.
everything.
It's inside, right?
Yeah.
Front and back.
No, just in it. Just the front.
Front or back?
No, just front.
Why I was thinking it was a back? The rear one.
No. The point is that this has big brakes here.
Ah, now I get it. I was thinking that you are upgrading the rear one, not the front one.
Who is going to upgrade the real one?
Okay, my bad. Alright, okay, yeah. So we have to fix also the brakes.
Do that because
I get it, I understand already. I don't know. Okay, alright. So there will gonna be another part with the brakes.